How to add yourself to any photo with Snapseed. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Snapseed, and here you have to tap anywhere to open a photo. Once you select the photo, you have to adjust this photo. You have to crop the part which you want to adjust, and again click on the tools, and here you have to go on the double exposure. Now once you are in, you have to click on this image button, and here you have to select the image which you want to add as a double exposure, and after this you have to fill up this opacity and click on the tick. Now you have to go on the view edits and go on the double exposure, and here you have to click on this brush. Now here you have to add this edit and select the area, or here you have to remove that area which you want to add as a double exposure in your photo, like this. Once you select that area, you have to simply click on the tick mark, and as you can see the photo has been added. You have to adjust it according to you. So yeah, this is how you can add yourself to any photo with Snapseed.